Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to know how we can export a pipeline in Azure DevOps and how we can import and create a new pipeline. Okay, so if you have a requirement to create a replica of some pipeline in different Azure DevOps project or somewhere else, then you can export your pipeline in JSON and import that pipeline again so that a replica of your pipeline will be created. Okay, you don't have to change much, you just have to change the names or whatever the parameters or variables you might want to change based on your requirement. Okay, so we'll be going to first export the pipeline and then import it. For that you should have some pipeline created already. I have the many of them. So I'm going to releases and I'm going to export a pipeline. Okay, so this is my pipeline and I want to export this. First, let me see what we have in here. You can see I have one stage, that is stage one, and I have this task. So when I export this pipeline and again try to import it in the new pipeline, we should have this task and we also should have this artifact added already. Okay, so now let's go to releases again. To export the pipeline, just click on this three dot more actions and here you can click on export. You can also clone it if you want to create this in same project, but if you want to just export it or maybe you want that JSON to be used somewhere else, you can export it. So let me click on export. So once you have exported it, one file will be created, .NET function deploy.json. So this is my JSON file. If I open it, you can see something like this. So this is my pipeline. Okay, this is the JSON for my pipeline, and now you can import it as well. So I have exported this pipeline, and if I want to import this, you can click on new release pipeline, not on new release pipeline, you will have to import release pipeline. Okay, select the file. So this is my file. I will select it and click on OK. Let's see what happens. So if you see, the replica of that pipeline has been imported. This artifact is added already, and we also have one stage along with one job and all the parameters already configured. Okay, so if you have this in your different project, this might not be correct or this might be in error because all the app service or maybe service connection might not be available in that new project. Okay, so you can do that. You can change all the parameters and you can rerun the pipeline to deploy your changes. Okay, here you can see the name is like hyphen copy. You can change the name as well, whatever name you want, and you can save and create release for this pipeline. So this is how we can export the release pipeline. Okay, continuous deployment or continuous delivery pipeline. But if you might ask how we can export the build pipeline. Okay, to export the build pipeline, simply, so suppose these are my build pipelines. If I open any of it, so suppose this is my build pipeline. If I edit it, this is to build the C and C++ code. Okay, if I want to export it, simply click on three dot and you can again click on export to JSON. Okay, so JSON of this pipeline will be exported Now you can again follow the same process to import the pipeline. You can click on three dot and click on import a pipeline, and you can click on this. So this will import all the tasks and all the settings which we had in the previous pipeline. You see all the tasks are pre-configured and all are imported. Okay, so if you want this pipeline to be exported in YAML, you can export that as well. So suppose you want to export it in YAML and you want to basically convert this classic pipeline to YAML, you can export to click on export to YAML. So the YAML pipeline will be exported and this classic pipeline will be converted to YAML. Okay, this export and import thing is only possible in classic pipelines and not in YAML pipeline as of now. You can only export classic release pipeline or classic build pipeline. If you have to import YAML pipeline, you can, because that facility is not yet available in Azure DevOps. So suppose let me just quickly show you. This is my YAML pipeline. If I edit it, and so you can see this is my YAML pipeline, and if I try to export it, I cannot. Let me quickly go back, and if I click on three dot, we don't have the option to export this pipeline in JSON. Okay. Okay, so if you have to create this pipeline in different project, or you will have to, if you have to create this somewhere else, you can just press Control A, Control C, and Control V. Just copy and paste it. There is no other way to export it and migrate it in some different project. Okay, simply you can copy paste it the YAML code, and your new pipeline will be created. You can modify the parameters according to your requirement. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have some feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching my video.